Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Rakesh Khanna from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on silver. COMEX silver price has broken its important support of $27 but failed to close above it, indicates short-term trend is bullish. MCX silver price has broken its important low of 80,000 level but failed to close above it, signal reversal from bearish to bullish trend. However, silver price has formed a bullish hammer candlestick pattern and yesterday's high of 80,470 level, which is an important resistance, and break above will surge the price further up till 81,450 and 83,000 level in near term. On the other hand, 79,800 level act as a key support and close below will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bearish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.